617, roll a little weather on the 7s with a good band of rain working through southeast Kansas right now from south to north, especially right in between Fredonia and Yates Center. We're seeing a little easterly push right here on the north side of Highway 400 headed towards Chanute as well. Still have flood warnings in effect for the Osage and Little Osage rivers running until Tuesday, as well as the Neosho River in Ottawa County down in the Commerce-Miami area until tonight. 66 in Joplin, 67 in Parsons, and 64 in Nevada. So not a wide spread of temperatures. Got what's called the heat dome east of the Mississippi. They're going to have some record-breaking temperatures for this time of year. Ours are going to be very comfortable, just sporadic rain throughout the course of our 7-day forecast. Mostly cloudy skies still into the upper 70s today. As we progress through future track here, you'll notice how we get a little mid-morning break. Then we go scattered variety for the afternoon and evening hours. Then turn your attention out to the left-hand portion of your screen for Monday night into Tuesday morning, as we'll have a development that will move across the Missouri state line. Going to be warm and muggy each and every afternoon. And while it's not severe, it still doesn't give us much of a chance to dry out until we get to the weekend. Now it's time to kick off our Spotlight on Branson series.
What a kickoff spotlight on Branson. We are starting with none other than the Branson Chamber. And here with me is somebody with the Branson Chamber, Lynn Berry. Hi, Lynn.
Hi, it's so good to have you guys here. We missed you.
I know, yes. 2020 was a lost year for many. We weren't able to do this last year.
That's true.
But here we are. 2021 is a different story. And so let's just start off talking about that and the resurgence that Branson is having.
Very much so. We had one of our best spring breaks ever in Branson, and the tax revenue is showing that people are returning and they want to get back out. We welcome everyone to come and plan their vacation in Branson.
Absolutely, and a great time to do it right before Memorial Day, of course.
That's right.
So for those people who may not have been able to come here last year, or even people who haven't been here in 5 or 6 years, let's tell people about what's new and what they can experience when they come to Branson.
Let's talk about what's new. And the biggest thing out there on the entertainment district is going to be Jesus at Sight and Sound Theater. Be sure and come see that incredible story. You know, they've been doing Bible stories at Sight and Sound for a decade here in Branson, and they've jumped into the New Testament. So that'll be a lot of fun to see that, y'all,
awesome.
And very inspirational. Don't ever miss that giant octopus.
How can you miss it?
Up on Highway 76. Take the kids, take mom, take grandma. This is so much fun. Aquarium at the boardwalk. It is very much educational entertainment for everybody in the family.
Yeah, it looks like a blast, and can't wait to go there myself.
Wonderful.
Branson obviously has been a popular destination for years, but I understand for the 10th year in a row, you guys have received a prestigious designation. So tell me about that.
Very much so. TripAdvisor, according to the compilation and the total of all of the good things that are said about Branson on tripadvisor.com, we rank as the number 16 best U.S. destination.
Oh, wow.
Wow. We have really done it.
That is awesome, Lynn, and I can definitely attest to that. It's a place for everybody, and certainly a place you'll want to visit here in 2021. So come out to Branson, hit up those places that Lynn talked about, and so much more.
When wind and hail